Again, to save a little bit of time, I'm going to leave out A and B because A we did already. If you have a value in front, that affects your amplitude, right? The B value affects your period. So you'd have to use that formula 2 pi over B to get a new period. Every time we get a new period, we label that and divide it into 4 equal sections. So because with sine and cosine, we always label one period and divide it into 4 equal sections, that's going to be a standard practice moving forward. So now on this one, in C, we have the +3, which is a vertical translation 3 units up. The key thing is that your D value is always going to change your center line. Now we didn't draw a dotted line when it was on 0 because we already had the axes there. But usually, wherever our center line is, it's not an asymptote, but we sort of do it like an asymptote. Technically, dotted lines on graphs are just there to help you, but they're not actually part of the graph. So I drew my center line at 3. Can you see your A value is still 1? So with an amplitude of 1, 1 up from my center line tells me my maximum is at 4. 1 down from my center line tells me my minimum is at 2. A sine graph starts in the middle going up. So it starts on the center line. And since I know where my max and min, I can go center line, max, center line, min, center line. And we have our graph drawn now. Questions for practice on this one, I don't think I wrote them down, are 6 and 7.